Alright, everyone, today we're talking about this incredible OMNI 5-axis CNC router. You know, when we're doing woodworking or making custom furniture, don't we often find some tasks incredibly troublesome? For example, trying to miter a board, or drill a hole on the side, or maybe you want to carve an intricate pattern. Don't you often have to switch between several machines, back and forth? One machine, all your solutions. This OMNI 5-axis CNC router is here to solve all those pain points. It's like having a master carpenter at your beck and call. Cutting? Easy peasy, whether it's precise vertical cuts or those complex angled miter cuts you can barely imagine, it uses a saw blade to cut them perfectly clean and seamless for you. Drilling? No problem. Especially for side drilling, you'll never have to worry about crooked or misaligned holes again. Carving? That's its specialty. Whether you want intricate carvings, 3D reliefs, or even various text patterns, the 5-axis simultaneous motion brings every detail to life, creating true works of art for you. Slotting? Fast and precise, grooves of all depths and shapes can be made in one pass, with efficiency that'll stun you. Why am I recommending it so much? Simply put, it's because it's so smart, so precise, and so efficient. You no longer have to worry about complex processes or inconsistent product quality. It helps you break through the limitations of traditional machining, giving you more time and energy to focus on creativity and design even cooler things. So, if you want to take your production to the next level, or maximize your woodworking craftsmanship, this OMNI 5-axis CNC router is absolutely your best choice.